Over the past 20 years, the salon and spa industries have evolved from small businesses surviving with paper and pencil to sophisticated, technologically sound businesses focused on customer service and growth. Pioneering new software and technology that streamlines daily operations and providing tools that increase client retention, encourage increased client visits, and delivers data and statistics in real time, Harms Software has led the way since 1987 and has changed the face of the industry with its Millennium software. As Senior Operating Officer for Bumble & Bumble, one of New York City's leading salons, Eli Hallowell knows the complexities of running and growing a successful salon operation. The company's infrastructure consists of more than 30 computers, with more than 100,000 clients in the database.
When it came to selecting a technology partner, we knew that we had to keep in mind the fact that we have hundreds of clients a day that come through here and a massive database. And any technology solution that wasn't tremendously robust was going to slow our system down and reduce the pace of our operation, which doesn't work in a big business like ours. We also spend a lot of time analyzing our business and need to understand our efficiencies really well. So we needed a partner that had great reporting capabilities and someone who we could partner with to customize those reports to meet our needs. We were spending 10 hours a week assessing the data at the end of the week to understand where we were successful and where we weren't, and we needed to customize that. And so we partnered with Harms to create a customized version of all of our analytics. Millennium also has some fabulous technologies that we've been able to take advantage of here at Bumble. When a client checks in, they're greeted with a tablet PC that's wireless. And immediately, the stylist is alerted via a page that shows them exactly what service it is and who the client is. During the service, we have lookup stations throughout the salon where the stylist can look up exactly what the client's history is, including color formulas. And at checkout, the process has been tremendously streamlined with automatic credit card processing that goes directly through the system and a scanner for products.
Bumble & Bumble is only one of thousands of businesses benefiting from Millennium in over a dozen countries around the world. With over $1 billion in revenues flowing through Millennium systems annually, Harms Software's focus on after-sales support and reliability continue to propel the company forward. Winner of New Jersey Magazine's Top 40 Entrepreneurs Under the Age of 40, and President and CEO of the Boonton, New Jersey-based company, tells us more.
The beauty industry is so much more complex than most people realize. There's over 250,000 salons and spas in the United States alone, generating billions of dollars in revenues annually. I've had the opportunity to write award-winning software for companies such as Lucent Technologies, AT&T, and what we've accomplished in Millennium exceeds those efforts. It's important that Millennium be able to identify the needs and aspects of a client. The analogy I like to use is if Nordstrom's or Saks Fifth Avenue used Millennium, they'd be able to tell me my wife's dress size, shoe size, or even her preferred brands. In the beauty industry, the equivalent would be coming in and knowing what stylist they saw last, whether they want a male or a female masseuse, and whether or not they use a certain type of toner in their hair. Millennium leverages the internet in several ways also. From a client perspective, it allows them to book online in the comfort of their own home 24 hours a day. It allows them to be confirmed via the internet. From a salon owner or spa owner's perspective, it allows them to access salon data on their cell phone, look up sales totals, look up client information, employee information, even if they're on vacation and sitting on a beach. One of the key brand differentiators for us is the one-year guarantee. So we understand the value of ongoing education and keeping our software up to date. Our updates are made available via the internet, and an automatic notification goes out to all the salons across the world, and they are able to download our update and install them automatically.
And it is by offering expert technical support and training and ongoing education at annual user group conferences that the company focuses on its clients' post-sales growth. From streamlining front desk operations to providing key growth indicators and educating clients on proven growth methods, Millennium manages day-to-day operations including point of sale and credit card processing, appointment and room management, employee schedules and payroll, inventory, marketing, security, and daily reporting. Private salon owner Robert McConey has been using the software for nearly a decade. In fact, he was so impressed by the transformation that took place in his business due to Millennium that he wanted to share this valuable resource with other salon and spa owners. So much so that he now heads up the sales department for Harms.
I've been in the beauty industry for over 19 years. My wife and I have owned multiple locations. And even back as far as the mid-'80s, we saw the need to be computerized. At the time, I purchased a system that just wasn't meeting our needs. We needed the ability to see information from both the locations at one time. We were finally introduced to Millennium Central Office, where we were able to sell a gift certificate and redeem a gift certificate in the other location. We were able to now book an appointment and see that from the other location. One of the great features for me in Millennium is the proactive alerts. I'm able to actually be a full-time director of sales for Harms Software, yet manage both my salons and spas right here in my office. At any given time, I can get a text message or an email letting me know that somebody has adjusted my inventory or run a report they really shouldn't have run. One of the things that really excites me is being able to go into a salon and spa that has never been automated before, brand new salon and spa, and able to get them going on software. From booking appointments, ringing up sales, running the correct reports to help them grow their business. Client loyalty is very important in any business for growth. Recently, we implemented a new promotions and awards system where we can actually award clients points for trying a new service or referring another client. Since we implemented this program this year, our growth in new client retention has gone from 30 to 60%.
The company provides a complete one-stop shopping solution by offering software, Dell computers, cash drawers, receipt printers, and paging systems. Accommodating all sized businesses, Millennium is available in 3 versions. The Small Business Edition for up to 5 service providers. The Millennium Professional for the medium-sized business with unlimited service providers. And Millennium Platinum for medium to large businesses with unlimited service providers. And includes room and equipment management as well as a points and reward system to encourage client loyalty. Client Relations Manager Matthew Scudder has trained over 500 salon and spa sites around the world.
Well, as Client Relations Manager, my duties range anywhere from escalated problems in the technical support department, outstanding trouble tickets that have been created, or even calling the client a couple weeks after the original sale to ensure that they're getting their training and proper education. Well, being a senior educator at Harms Software, it's given me the opportunity to travel to some of the most prestigious salons and spas, both domestically and internationally, ranging from either Bumble & Bumble in New York City or even #1 spa in the world called Como Shambhala in Turks and Caicos. Well, I'll tell you one thing that's definitely evident, really what drives me when I go out to all these on-sites is the ever-growing sophistication of the beauty industry. I mean, it's not simply booking an appointment by an employee anymore. It's more advanced than that. It's resource management, rooms, a facial room, service equipment, and the beauty of it is seeing how Millennium adapts to the way that they conduct their business as opposed to them adapting to Millennium.
Another advantage is that support is live and Harms hosts a community site by which hundreds of salon owners, managers, and front desk staff can talk to each other about tools as well as industry issues. Harms will continue to expand the horizons of the salons, spas, and medical spas the world over, allowing multiple locations to aggregate data and facilitate data integration with other software tools using its newly released software developers kit named Millennium SDK. To learn more, visit www.harms-software.com or call toll-free 888-813-2141.